The John Galtline Woodworking Shop in Cocoa had a fire that subjected some of their machinery to some heat and smoke damage. The insurance companies paid them off. The insurance company has now asked us to liquidate the machines. We've seen the machines cleaned up and they appear to be in good condition. Some of the machines were set outside and tarp covered and may have some surface rust on them. Unfortunately, there's no power hooked up to them, so we were unable to test them. The table saw, the router, and the long belt sander were left inside in a part of the building that wasn't damaged. They appear to be in great working condition. Prior to the fire, all of those machines were in continuous use. Go to our website, www.kincaid.com. Find out how you can register and bid on these fabulous machines.